So I got to ask this question. How do I write a formula in a Google Sheet that says if A1 is equal to E4, then the data in G4 replaces B4? Well, here's the formula right here. Let me show you what I did here. So I needed data in A1, E4, and I need data in G4. So here's my data in A4. It's 100. Here's my data in E4. It's 50. They don't equal. And here's my data in G4, that if this were to equal, this was to equal this, then I would put, yep, it works in here. Now here's the formula that I put here. Very simply says, if A4 equals E4, comma, which means then, put G4 here. Just get G4. Also, just simply get G4. Comma, which means else, put the wrong answer. Wrong answer in quotes. Let me read it again. If A4 equals E4, then put G4 here. Else, put wrong answer here. So it says wrong answer because A4 does not equal G4. But if I put 100 here, boom, now I have, yep, it works in here. And no matter what I put in here, yep, it worked. It's good. And it puts that there. So there's my formula, very simply. And this, the really cool thing here is that I could copy this right here, down through here, and I could put whatever I want. You know, Bob is right, Bill is right, Steve said, whatever I want to put here, apples, oranges, whatever I want to put here, and as long as A is equal to E, it'll take G and put it in F in the rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see it has wrong answer because they don't match. Again, if they all do match, then it'll copy whatever's in G4 in this row over to B4 in the same row. I'm going to save this spreadsheet. I'll put a link to the spreadsheet in the YouTube video description, and you can look at it. Heck, you can copy it and use it for yourself and play with it and make it work for you. Hey, I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail dude. I hope this is helpful for you.